My name is Samhita Bhatt. I'm from Bangalore. I graduated from BNMIT in 2023 and I've been currently working in Bharat Electronics Limited as an apprenticeship trainee. Okay, I had applied for 5 universities and I've got admits in 2 universities, but I'm going to the Arizona State University for the course Computer Engineering and Electrical Engineering. I wanted to pursue my master's in VLSI, so the courses offered here are aligned with my interest of study, so I chose the Arizona State Universities over the other universities. I wanted to study abroad because of the better opportunities there and the infrastructure and the laboratories there, so which are far better than what we can have here. I got to know about Maven Consulting Services from my family. My cousin told me about this, introduced me to Maven Consulting Services. I was really clueless about anything. Like, I just knew I wanted to study abroad, but I had no idea of it. From the day of, if I remember the first day here, I didn't know anything. From there, everyone here guided me towards this, till this day. So I'm really happy about this. I had got an admit, but I didn't know what to do about it later. So there were so many questions, there were so many documents I had to fill online, which I was not, no one from my family had been here, had been to abroad. So I didn't know what to do. So I used to text sir and my counselor ma'am. So almost every day I used to text them asking what to do, what not. So they've helped me, they have helped me every time with minimum time gap. They used to keep helping me, so it's really nice. Lakshmi ma'am was my counselor and she is the best. She has been tolerating me from the day when I used to call her every now and then for every minimum, every small things I used to have. I used to contact her and I used to text her or call her. So she used to respond to me very kindly. She was so sweet to me. I'm so happy. If you want to study abroad, if you have a clarity about that, start it very quickly. Don't do it like me, because mine was really neck to neck. I came to Maven Consulting Services in June, and not even in June, in September. So which was really, they helped me a lot. But if you want to do something like that, make sure you start early and you have a really nice time for everything, and